like, subscribe, and get notified.
Heated arguments erupted during the Talegaon Gram Sabha on Sunday, as local activist Cecile Rodrigues staged a silent protest. Wearing a helmet and with messages pinned to her clothing on both the front and back, Rodrigues demonstrated against Talegaon MLA Jennifer Monserrate and Punch member Sidney Barreto, alleging that they had assaulted her at Ochel village on 20th May.
इसेल कसलो प्रोटेस्ट होतो आता हे केला पंचायतीन
आम्ही सगळ्यांनी पळयला की 20th मे म्हाजेर आनी आमचे टिमाचेर सिडनी बरेटो आनी जेनिफर मॉन्सरातान हात घातला अँड आमचे FIR अजून पासून रजिस्टर जावंक ना. So this is my protest at the Gram Sabha today, which is the 8th of June. Till now the FIR has not been registered. And every time I come to the Gram Sabha, I'll come to the Panchayat, I will come like this with the protection of a helmet. And on my chest and behind I have mentioned. This is to show that do not mess around with the citizens of Talegaon village. And we will continue to do this. Is this shame for you? I do not know. But this is a shame for the police for not having the FIR registered till date. I keep wearing this.
तुझेरू काउंटर कंप्लेन केले ना पण
करून दी काउंटर कंप्लेन.
तुझी कंप्लेन रजिस्टर करू ना काउंटर कंप्लेन तुझेर
येस येस आनी ती कंप्लेन पयल्यार पासून न्हू इट इज टोटली फेक. टायमींग सगळें रॉंग आसा. अँड वेन वी वेन नेक्स्ट डे तेणें सांगला की आमकां टायम ना म्हणून जस्ट टेक इनवर्ड अँड वी विल चेक ऑन द सेम.
In addition to the protest, two major local issues were discussed during the meeting. The first involved a farmers' protest in which fields were reportedly set on fire. The Panchayat urged farmers to refrain from such actions and assured them that their concerns would be addressed. The second issue involved septic water contamination of the village's drinking water. Officials confirmed that this problem has since been resolved with the installation of new pipelines.
Zori tor tumi ata impose korina fine system. You have to have your challan book ready. And we said, and you're between framework of law. You're not crossing your boundaries. Penalize the guys now who are releasing sewage in the public, in the water body or in the open. You have the challenge.
Mr. Xavier, see, even we are like plucking in that holes who are releasing the sewerage into the nallas. That also we started.
See, last 10-50 days I have been...
So Panchayat is taking the initiative to stop these issues.
I agree, we have taken initiative and I spoke to the PWD engineer also who was in charge in coming back to this issue now. The water getting contaminated.
Even the waterways we are cleaning like that, touching the Santinas Creek like, so that water can flush out like.
See, you're diverting the issue. I agree, your initiative.
So we are taking your point. That we'll call you for the inspection and we'll note down your all the points.
सो आयची ग्राम सभा म्हणजे तालिगांव पंचायत जालेली आसा. सो आयचे मेन टॉपीक आसलेले फर्स्ट एक फार्मर्साचो आसलेलो. देन अबाउट द ड्रिंक सेप्टिक वॉटर मिक्सिंग विथ द ड्रिंकींग वॉटर हो एक मेन इश्यू आसलेलो. सो पंचायतीन हेजेर एक्शन घेतलेली आसा ऑलरेडी अलॉंग विथ द ऑनरेबल MLA ऑफ तालिगांव. पायपलायन न्यू ले केलेली आसा फूल बिकॉज मेन होल आसा मेन प्रॉब्लम आसा तो मेळना जाल्लो PWD डिपार्टमेंट. सो तेंच्यांनी मॅडम हॅज रिक्वेस्टेड की तुमी न्यू पायपलायनूच घाला फूल कंप्लीट. सो न्यू पायपलायन ले केलेली आसा आनी इश्यू इज बीन रिजॉल्व ना. लोकांक उदक बरें मेळटा त्या सायडीन ते एरिया शंकरवाडी टू सांपोल मार्केट फूल एरिया आहा पळय तो उदक तो इश्यू रिजॉल्व जालो. सेकंड इश्यू त्यांनी आमचो डिस्कस जाल्लो अबाउट द इन्सिडंट टूक प्लेस इन द फिल्ड्स. तो क्लेम केल्लो की वन ऑफ द कंप्लेंटान की तो फार्मर्सूच थंय उजो घालता. सो तेणी सांगलो सजेशन दिल्लेलें आसा की तुमी एम्बुलन्स फायर ब्रिगेड तांकां आपोवपाचें कॉर्डिनेशन बी. सो पंचायतीन एक्चुअली सांगपाक जाय म्हटलें पंचायतीनूच फूल इनिशिएटीव घेवन हो इश्यू रिजॉल्व केल्लो आसा की आमचो सुपरवायझर एकलो जळलो सुद्दां फूल तिची स्कीन सुद्धा पांयाची जळिल्ली आसा. इतले जाता इन्सिडंट जालो तो फूल आपूण भितर वचोन सरपंच अलॉंग विथ द सरपंच डे एंड नायट आसतली विथ द हेल्प ऑफ फायर आमचे एम्बुलन्स बी हाडून आमचे हेल्थाचे हाडून ते इश्यू रिजॉल्व केल्लो आसा. लोकांकूय तेंच्या सायडीचे काडलेले आसा आनी फुडें फार्मर्साकूय तेंच्यांनी एज्युकेट केल्लेले आसा सांगपाक की बाबा तुमी असो उजो बिजो घालता इन द मंथ ऑफ मे. सो तो घालपाचो न्हू.